In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Brevo account. To begin, open your Brevo dashboard in your browser. From there, go to your profile and then click Settings. This is where you will manage the basics of your account, and it is the starting point before you can connect anything to your email sender settings or forms. Next, complete your profile details. Take a moment to fill in the information that Brevo asks for, because a complete profile helps your account work correctly and builds trust with recipients. After you finish the profile, verify your account email. Look for a verification email in your inbox. Then confirm it by clicking the verification link. This step matters because it activates your account and ensures Brevo can confirm that you control the email you are using. Once your email is verified, you are ready to set up the email sender that will send your marketing messages. Now go to Settings, then find the section called Senders, Domains, and IPs. Inside that area, open Senders. Here you will add your professional email. This is the email address that will appear as the sender for your campaigns, so choose an address that matches your business or brand. Add your professional email by using the option to create or add a sender depending on what you see on screen. After you enter it, follow any prompts to confirm or complete sender setup. It is normal to see additional verification steps here, especially if Brevo needs to ensure deliverability and reduce spam issues. If the interface asks you to verify ownership, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Now that your sender is set, you can move on to creating the sign-up form. To do this, go to Marketing, then select Forms. In the Forms area, you will design the sign-up form that you want people to use. Take a moment to choose the form fields that you need for your sign-up flow. Design it so it matches your site style and so it clearly tells visitors what they will receive after signing up. As you design your form, review the layout and text so it is easy to understand. A good sign-up form reduces confusion and helps visitors complete the form successfully. After you are satisfied with the design and configuration, copy the embed code. You can usually find the embed option or a copy button after the form is ready. Make sure you copy the entire code exactly as shown, because missing characters can prevent the form from loading on your website. Next, you will paste that embed code into your website. Open your website's HTML editor or your page editor that allows custom HTML. Then paste the code into the HTML where you want the form to appear on the page. This could be a specific section like a sidebar, a landing page area, or a dedicated sign-up section. After pasting the code, save your changes and then preview the page to confirm everything loads correctly. The form should appear on your site and be ready for new sign-ups. If it does not show up, double-check that you pasted the code in the correct place and that there are no extra missing characters. Also confirm that you saved the page successfully. Once the form is visible, you have successfully connected Brevo to your website and set up the complete sign-up experience. That includes verifying your account email, adding your sender email, and embedding your sign-up form, and that covers everything you need to know.